Hello guys, welcome back. This video is sponsored by Tito Sports and Faiz Sheikh from Bicholi. Hi, I'm Zabimullah, aka Rapping from Goa. Welcome back again. We are here in Coimbatore, round 2 MRF Supercross National Championship. As you can see, right now I'm on track. I'll just show you. Yes, this is the start gate and the first corner here, and the jump and the bump and the more jumps. Yeah, additional this time as usual, TVS Hero, new team KTM. Slope Gorpade riding for this team. First, तो अभी जा रहे हैं हम लोग सोहेल भाई के साथ ट्रैक वॉक पे. सोहेल भाई ऑल द वे फ्रॉम बेंगलोर, नेशनल चैंपियन है इंडिया के. काफ़ी सारी नेशनल टाइटल्स इनके पास है. तो लेट्स गो फॉर ट्रैक वॉक.
Sini Jinan, last one. Jirendra Sangave. Jirendra. Yes, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, इज द रेस डे. सो जस्ट अभी हम लोगों ने पॉन्चो कलेक्ट किया है. सो विल पेस्ट द नंबर ऑन द बाइक एंड गेट रेडी फॉर द रेस.
Let's say hello to car number 53, Zabimullah. This man needs no introduction. Zabimullah getting ready to right. Wants to hang on to his right is Sohail Ahmed, car number 10. Who's going to have the whole shot? Turn number 1 is going to be critical. Remember, they need to carry forward to turn number 2 as well. And the 15-second board is up, the 5-second board goes up, and the flag will go up, and the flag goes up, they're off. There's a little bit of jostling for space as well. 43 seems to have got a slight advantage. Yes, he's taken the whole advantage, and he's possibly taken the whole shot as well. Ryan Hay, comp number 43, has just taken the whole shot. This is good stuff for them. Now getting it out. Now 43 will be getting challenged very, very early on now. This is going to be interesting. 43 has got to mix that up again. There is a, oh, look at the fight that is already emerging of the 5, 6, 7 and 8. Ryan now trying to stop comp number 53. This is going to be interesting again. Zabimullah is a very experienced man, knows his racing again. Ryan is already feeling the pressure. Look how he is attacking. Comp number 10 is a man that you really need to watch out for as well. But my bet is comp number Zabimullah. That man, we just spoke about Zabimullah, and he's already about to take the race lead from Ryan Haig again. Ryan has to put his head down and not panic here again. He's got to be a little bit careful again. He ran out of space, so Zabimullah was just not able to get back. Sohail Ahmed stays with him at top 3 again. There seems to be a one of the back markers who had possibly had a fall, and has also joined back again. Comp number 10 has at least about 10 bike lengths lead ahead of him. 43 versus 53. The battle continues. 53, Zabimullah is an experienced champion. Oh, he just has a fall. Why there still exists a commentator's curse. Why did you do this, Zabimullah? Not fair, man. I hope he's able to rise back again. I have seen Zabimullah with the fall and still coming on to finish on the podium. There's a new number 3, gentlemen and ladies, and it is going to be comp number 89. It's Basil Sunny from Kerala. So it's 1 and 3 Kerala. The flag off is going to happen any moment now. This is the class 2. 8 laps now, 15 seconds board already up now. Here we go, folks, without any delay. Here we go as the gates come down. The 5-second board is up. They're off to a good start. It's still not clear who's got a much better start again. It looks to be 43, but then he seems to be a little bit back again. Two riders almost collide with each other. Four of them collide with each other. It now becomes increasingly as the dust settles down again. Out of nowhere comes this man, coming number 53, Zabihullah. He is able to find that little space that no one was able to see. Goes over the roofs now and trying to single jump into perfection. He's already getting challenged by possibly comp number 42, that's Wilmer Valentino. He's got to be a little bit careful as Wilmer Valentino now sizing up his jumps as he comes to every part of that racetrack. Wilmer Valentino now has the lead, possibly for a slight moment. He maintains it, takes the whole shot finally. Right now, as the battle emerges for the one, it's a three-way fight for the top three now. Now there is a little bit of a loss of grip, especially in the home stretch here. We are looking at comp number 10 now, coming in slowly but steadily. Sohail Ahmed, remember the last time around, he had the whole shot with him but was not able to maintain it. He was in the mix. 43, Wilmer Valentino with his younger brother Ryan Haig, and the younger brothers are racing on the same track. Ryan Haig is the race leader. Wilmer Valentino stays at number 2. 53 is now making heads turns here again. 53, good stuff there by him. He's able to look, you see that speed that he was able to get. Zabihullah really showing his class, really showing his amazing experience here. This man has so much of talent at his belt and is able to take it out.
But he slipped out and turned
Now,
out his Boshan. But over here, ladies and gentlemen.
Ryan Haig number 1, Zabihullah number 2, Sohail Ahmed number 3. That's the way it is. 2 and 3 involved in a very, very close battle. Zabihullah slightly under pressure from Sohail Ahmed. 52 and 19 now getting into the mix. That's Sohail Tanwar along with comp number 52. Abdul Latif making a lineup for the 5th and the 6th. Contest still very much on. He's still got a little over 6 laps. Ryan Haig continues to be your race leader. So Zabihullah stays at 2. Sohail Ahmed at number 3. Here we go, folks. On to the line. Over the jump. Oh, the jumps are only getting longer, faster, quicker. And they're landing the bikes as they want to win this one. Number 10. Sohail Ahmed is getting a little nervous, little jittery, if I must say. The nerves are kicking in with 5 laps to go. This is where it is going to play out now. 43, Ryan Haig has got it. Oh my God, the fight for the second and third very much on. One of them goes off the track for a little bit again, loses the balance. 53 says thank you very much. Combat number 10 did not control that jump as good as he wanted. So 53 continues to stay at number 2. Can somebody will come forward number 5? Sees up the opportunity onto the 43, Ryan just flew over the whoops. Did he even touch the ground? If you notice all the time, there is that bike together on control. Now, when you are slanting in that turn, just like this one, you're trying to stretch your left leg to give you a little more grip on the back wheel in the front. 4 laps to go now. Comp number 10, still challenging, continues to challenge, not refusing to give away the fight. 89 versus 49. This is also, it doesn't matter as 53 tries to get past them. They are having the battle of their own. It doesn't matter where you fight each position as long as you make a battle. 53 has somehow consolidated over the lead on Sohail Ahmed now. 89 on your skill. Ryan Haig is now taking it up. Which has been for a moment we thought, where is Ryan Haig? Okay, 3 laps to go into this one. I just love it because it's like almost like a sweeping sweeper there. You're able to carry that blistering pace on that bike on the 3rd and the 4th gear. And it was only somewhere in the back straight and towards the edge of it, I had heard a few bikers being able to touch the 4th gear. But it's been the 2nd and 3rd which has been very, very constant again. Let's try and tell you how it works now. On to the edge, 43, Ryan Haig, Zabihullah, the experienced one. Sohail Ahmed stays at number 3 now. But we now challenged by a crucial number 19. Sohail Sattar is sensing an opportunity to finish on the podium. 53 stays at 2. 89 Basil Seni has been is one of the back markers. Here we go, folks. Here comes, wow, that's a wonderful shot, isn't it? 43 just blazing through that sand, blazing through that black soil, and he's able to blaze through the jump again. He's just setting the track on fire. The control is absolutely magnificent. Ryan Haig on the world of his own. The Bandidos team will be saying that this is what they came here for. This is what they come around for. Remember, Ryan Haig was a runner-up in 2023. 2024 round 1 won the race 1 and had multiple fall in Moto2 but managed to finish 4th overall in Nasik. He's a fighter. Each of the racers over here are fighters, and it's whoever shows the maximum grit on your given day has the last laugh and takes home the prize again. Ryan Haig will be thanking his team back. Bandidos have worked hard to put up a racing team again. Last lap commences and it's shown everyone Ryan Haig is going to win this one. The checkered flag is going to be unfurled on him. It's going to be waved over to him. This is coming through now. Here comes Ryan Haig. The checkered flag is going to be waved to him. Ryan Haig coming up 43 all the way down here again. This man is your leader. On to the whoops now. Flies to the whoops again. It was almost like a wheelie. Oh wow, did you see that jump again? He timed the acceleration so well that the second jump was not a problem at all. He's only getting better with every passing lap now. He's just got 2 turns to make this a race win, a memorable one. Make that one as he gets over the jump. One more to get it on. And here, take the sweeper, and he takes the win. Ryan Haig wins a Class 2 special. This is wonderful. As copper number 53, Zabi Mullah brings home the bike at number 2. Has copper number 10 done enough? I believe he has. They can just run away from me, can they? Suhail Ahmed finishes at number 3rd. What a race this was. 12 races in all that we witnessed here today, and each of the races getting...
Yeah, I'm Zabimullah. Riding the SX2 category, I finished second in second moto. First moto, I finished 5th. I was running second, did a small mistake that cost me a lot. But in second moto, I kept it in my mind not to do that same mistake. So I finished second. Yeah, let's see for the overall result. Hope for the best. Thank everyone, and thanks for the sponsors and all. Thank you so much.
Then we have Nikita Das, number 37, riding the Kawasaki KX250 from Bangalore. Then we have competition number 38, Pestaya, riding a KTM SX 150cc from Pune. And then we have competition number 23, Victor Isaacs, riding a Kawasaki 250 from Kochi.
Deserving winners. In the 3rd spot, we have Suhail Ahmed, competition number 10, riding a KX 450 from Bangalore. The man from the place we all love, that is Goa. The man from Goa, Zabi Mullah, competition number 53, riding a KX 250. He had a lovely start in the first moto, but he had a slip in the first moto, but superb. But the unbeaten, I wanted to see your face properly. I couldn't see it in the helmet. Okay, I see you now. Nice, you are superb. Competition number 43, Ryan Haig, riding a KX 250 all the way from Kochi. What a ride this guy has given. Absolutely clean riding, superb. And he rides for Team Bandidos. Yeah! Lovely, lovely, lovely. Very well deserved winners. Superb. Keep up the good work.